One is moving over there. A few of us in the bus, in the train, in the car, in the cars. We are moving on to the calling. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Moving up, moving up, moving up. Moving up, moving up, moving up. Moving up the King's Highway. Don't you know that I'm resting in amazing grace? I'm resting in amazing grace. Don't you know that Satan is under a trial? But I never, never, never turn back. Don't you know I'm moving up, moving up, moving up, oh Lord. Yeah, this is Brooklyn, some part of Brooklyn. Moving up the King's Highway. Moving up the King's Highway. Don't you know that I'm trusting in amazing grace? Trusting in amazing grace. Don't you know Satan is on my track? But I never, never, never turn back. Don't you know I'm moving up, moving up, moving up, oh Lord, up the King's Highway. Guys, moving up the King's Highway, keep on pressing, keep on trusting God. Because He's able, He's a deliverer. God bless you today as you go about your business tonight, today, wherever you're going. The Lord bless you. Yeah. Filming from the train here. Filming from the train. The train. Going to Manhattan. Just made a stop. The door is open. As the announcer gives the different stops, the instruction, sometimes direction from train to train. That's the New York City subway. Some parts we don't emerge or submerge, but submerge. Submerge to go under, we don't go under, we don't submerge. Which is the subway. Some parts we are on top like here, some stops in Brooklyn. Yes guys. This is my Sunday morning vlog, and as I vlog and review those beautiful trees out there, I'm taking my leave because I'm going underground now. Goodbye until then. I love you all. Thanks for your support. You are awesome, guys. You are awesome. I cannot do it without you. You are awesome. Have a wonderful Sunday.